God damn. There she go. So I think this silver bit here just needs fucking off, mate. Oh.
Enigma Production.
Right, welcome back to the video. So in today's video, we're going to be putting some eyebrows on the car, right? We're going to be putting eyebrows on the car. What's going on here? Right, you see them, they're going right there, much. Now, you see how the outline is? It's got a pointy side and like this side. Okay, this is not for this one. Oh, it's chucking it down. So it's not coming on the camera, is it? No. That's why I moved the car in here. We're in a tricky situation. Right, you seeing that, Zeke? On this side, you see the outline of the actual light. You see it? How it goes pointy like that, and then it opens up, and then it goes like that. That's how you know that this is for this side. It's gonna leave a gap over there, just there, but that's just fucking out of here, boy, because it can't go. It doesn't go this way because you can't line it up. Because if you line that side up there, then this down here looks fucking west. Get some alcohol cleaner. Spray it up. Spray it with alcohol cleaner. Get it all tipped up. Get it tipped up like that. The one with the pointy side up is going there. I'm just going to stand in the way so rain don't come on it. Alright, cover it a bit like this. Sadiq, come on. There's a teamwork now. Oh, fuck's sake. Honestly, you need to be a fucking nonce with nails to get this shit off. Fucking hell. Using fucking tweezers to get it off. Fuck's sake. There we go. Right. Any water on that. Fuck's sake. Right, so shite on this. Be a fucking shambles. Completely vigilant. Get the bottom there. Get the bottom there. Hold up. Bottom there. Hold up. Don't fucking be eager, cunt. Just gonna line up there, line up there, line up there, line up there, line up there. Oh, fucking move, cunt! Alright, I'm just going off the blackness. You fucking what? Call you me black? Oh no, shit! Yeah, we'll give it a bit of a move. Fucking cunt. There we go, there she go, my boom! Alright, so you stand back now. I'm gonna turn it on. You shouldn't have light coming through there. I've got light coming through there. I fucked it much. If anything, you could have the fucking light. Oh, there we go. Beautiful, baby. Right. So, what I was talking about the light, you see, if I do this side here, if I do it too down, you see how the light, the gap in there. So I'm literally following this black thing, overlapping the black thing. So it's like, you see here, a fucking twat. So I've got a bit of it there. You see it? A bit of a gap. Whereas that one's overlapped and that one's overlapped. This one, in a way. Can you see it from back? Go back, so the back. Oh, you can't even fucking see it, see? You only see it when you come right close. Stay there, Sadiq. Can you see that? The gap? Is there a gap in the light? Yeah. Can you see the top bit there? The light? Yeah. Speak, bitch! Yeah. Motherfucker. There she go. Get a cheeky thumbnail here, Mosh. Fuck no. Oh, give me that. Is it wet? Fucking left in the rain. See, be vigilant. Oh, they're all covered in oil, see. Yeah, bottom bit there. Bottom there. Oh. Bottom there. Yeah, I think it's easier, you know, when you got your light on, get off. When you got your light on, boy, it's a bit easier. Oh, see, it's fucking shape, man. There we go, see. Big gap is wrong one. Oh no, fucking doing mine, not done one. Right there. What are we saying here? Is there even any fucking shape on that? What the fuck is it? It sticks out that. Fuck it out. Once I do 100 miles an hour, that's flying straight fuck off. Wind hitting under there. That's it, mush. We'll have to test it, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, I go over 100, yeah. Wind's getting in there. Now let me back the car up, yeah. We'll see how it looks. How are we looking? We're ready. Right, back. How are we looking? How are we looking to the... Oh, yeah, damn, boy. God damn. So I think this silver bit here just needs fucking off, mate. There we go. Get a little close up on that. Yeah, dog. Yes, Lord. So, I mean, that's it. It's done to the, look at it. Let me turn my lights off here. Oh, where is it? Look at it. Oh, still working. Alright, cheers for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick.